We will firstly apply our pre-spray cleaner, which will break down and emulsify the soils in the carpet. This also has an anti-static and sanitizing property. We will then use a hot pad which will apply the neutralizing product to the carpet. This first pass will agitate and combine the solutions together. Then, through capillary wicking, the soil will rise to the top of the fibre, ready to be extracted. Using the opposite side of the ultra-absorbent pad, we will proceed with the second pass, where all the remaining soil will be absorbed into the pad. Using this process, we will leave your carpets not only clean and sanitized, but also ready to be used again in just 30 minutes.